I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening images. Google.com and making sure the image is accessible. You don't need special tools. Once done, drag the file into the search box or click the camera icon to paste a URL or upload. You should see the upload or URL field immediately. This kicks off Google's visual matching. Make sure your image is clear and not heavily cropped because the quality and framing affect results. Now click Search and wait for Google to analyze the picture. You'll land on a results page showing a best guess, visually similar images, and pages that include the image. Read all three. Once you scan the matches, click through promising pages to verify origin, date, or licensing. This gives context. If matches are noisy or irrelevant, make adjustments. Crop the subject, re-upload at higher resolution, or add keywords in the search bar to narrow results. These refinements guide Google to more precise, useful matches for your intent. You finish by opening the strongest matches to confirm source, ownership, or additional metadata. Don't assume the first hit is original. If you can't verify, run the same image through alternative reverse search engines to compare outcomes. Once done, document the most reliable page or save the image's URL. If results fail, try troubleshooting, increase resolution, remove filters, crop to the subject, or add descriptive keywords. These steps usually resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.